LTS 208H8 tons hydraulic drive single drum road roller. Power system, Cummins turbocharged diesel engine. Operating mass 8000千克。Centrifugal force 70 kN. Full hydraulic and double drive, hydraulic vibration, hydraulic articulated steering.